Hello guys, welcome to Gustav's programming tutorial where we learn everything programming. In today's lesson, we are continuing on the looping structures in Java, the do-while loop. If this is your first time here, click the subscribe button and notification icon to get notified for more videos from this channel. So, what is the do-while loop and how is it different from the normal while loop? The do-while loop statement is a loop structure in which the loop control variable is tested after the loop's body executes. That is, the loop's boolean expression is tested after the first iteration of the loop body. Now, the difference between the while and do-while loop is that with the do-while loop, the loop body always executes at least once before the loop control variable is tested. Whilst with the while loop, the loop control variable is tested before the loop body executes. To declare a do-while loop, you first type the keyword do. The loop body then follows and is contained within curly braces. The last statement is to add the while statement containing the boolean expressions after the curly braces and end with a semicolon. Now, let's do some coding. So, suppose we want to display and add the numbers from 1 to 10 and then display the sum. We begin by declaring our variables. So, int count num equals 1. Int sum of num equals 0, semicolon. Now our do while block. So do, then our curly braces, and output statement. System.out.print count num plus, in quotations the space. On the next line, plus plus count num, semicolon. On the next line, type sum of num plus equal to count num, semicolon. Now, outside of the curly braces, type while count num less or equal to 10, semicolon. And the next line, type system.out.print line, semicolon. Then we type another output statement. The sum is and sum of number. Now let's run the program. In our output, we get the numbers displayed from 1 to 10 with spaces between them, and then the sum of the numbers is displayed. Now let's look at another example, but this time let's make it interactive. Suppose we want to calculate the area of a rectangle with the user typed values. So let's comment this block of code. Let's first add our import statement. Import java.util.scanner, semicolon. Our first variable declaration. Int response. Now, since we need the length, width, and area variables, let's declare them as double length, semicolon, double width, semicolon, double area, semicolon. Now, let's declare our scanner object. scanner scan equals new scanner system.in. Now for our do while loop block, we type do, then curly braces. Now let's add our prompt message. For our output statement, enter the length and width of the rectangle. Now our retrieval statement, length equals scan.next double, width equals scan.next double. We are using next double because the data type of length and width is a double, so only doubles can be stored in them. Now let's calculate the area. Area equals length times width, semicolon. Now our output statement, the area of the rectangle is area centimeter squared. Then we ask the user if they want to continue. So under output statement, do you want to continue? 1 for yes, and then 2 for no. Then we retrieve the user's input. Response equals scan dot next line. So outside of the curly braces, we bring our while loop, which is while, then in parentheses, response equals y. Now let's run this program and see what happens. In our output, we type the length and width of the rectangle. Say 5.3 and 9. Then we press enter. We get the output. The area of the rectangle is 47.7 centimeters squared. Now the program is asking if we want to continue. So we want to continue. So we type 1 and press enter. And the program goes back to the prompt for the user input. Now we type 2.4 and 5.3 and then press enter. We get the output. The area of the rectangle is 12.72 centimeters squared. The program then asks whether we want to continue. Type 2 for no, and the program stops. Now let's rerun the program again. And now we type 8.5 and 14.3 and then press enter. Our output is the area of the rectangle is 121.55 centimeters squared. The program then asks whether you want to continue. And we type 2 and the program stops immediately. Well guys, this is the end of our studies on the do while loop. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.